Welcome to our ADE introduction video. In this video, you will learn how to design, simulate, and deploy an ADE project in ADE. Before launching a new design, let's get the setting right. We first set the grid so that widgets can align to the grid. Second, we set the language to English. In ADE, both Chinese and English interfaces are supported. Users must choose a target product to start with. The target product sets the screen size, resolution, and touch control type. In this example, we choose 7-inch capacitive touch panel. Once we choose the target product, two design pages show up in the design panel, page 1 and I/O configuration. Then we set the background color to gray. There are two gradient colors to set, one for the top gradient and the other for the bottom one. We will show you how to design in human-machine interface projects by using standard and system widgets. Let's define some registers for binding and controlling widgets. Throughout the entire ADE project, registers are used as variables used in a C program. Click the Register Table editor. The register table pops up. Registers can be of integer, floating point, Boolean, or string format. There are system registers that are predefined. Let's define 3 registers to represent the random data, starting trigger, and the maximum data limit. 1 system widget and 3 regular widgets are used. Let's drag and drop these widgets to the desired locations. We first bind the random data register to the digits widget for letting this widget show the value of the register. A slider switch is adopted for serving as an on-off button. Blockly, a visual programming language, is used to set the behavior of this widget. This widget affects the Boolean value of a user-defined register. The timer widget is set to generate an event periodically. In our case, the period is set to be 0.1 second. Once an event is triggered, a random number is generated with the maximum value capped by a register. Once the random number is generated, it is assigned to a register which is shown by the digits widget. Finally, we are going to set the properties of the chart widget. Let's bind the first data series with the random number. The granularity of X and Y-axis can be set for fitting the data properties. The grid size can be set for easy user consumption. The next phase is to run simulation. ADE has a built-in simulator that can right away show the results of the human-machine interface project. The simulator allows users interaction. To launch the simulator, please click the Launch Simulator in the control panel of ADE. Once the simulator is running, users can use mouse to interact with the widgets. Users can see if the behavior of the simulator matches the requirement. The last phase of a human-machine interface project development is deployment. To deploy an ADE project to our product, first connect the USB cable between the PC running ADE and our product. Please go to the System menu and click Export. In the Export pop-up window, please choose Output Type to be IoT panel and set the template to be UBIQ panel. Then click the Export button. Once the download process completes successfully, a pop-up window will notify you. Afterward, please disconnect the USB cable from our product to restart it. The control board is now running the downloaded project. Thank you for watching. ADE